Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, let's go through how I created this beautiful looking landing page. Like we will go through like entire process from start to end, how I generated the assets, how animation is working on, where we got the 3D model for the hero section, how I generated the assets using another tool that's very interesting, and let's go through it. So here is the high level workflow. Like for generating this kind of a landing page, you need a bunch of inspirations and a product idea to start with. And once you have that, you just give that to Claude and along with the Playwright MCP access. And then Claude will generate a bunch of files. These files will be containing the main product idea, what will be the content sections of the site. And after that, you generate the assets using some AI, like you can use Hexfield MCP or you can use something like Combi AI to generate the assets, images and videos which we need for our landing page. So once you have that, you just have to go to Spline community and get your model canvas from there. And like once you export that scene and everything is ready, you just give everything to Claude desktop, and then Claude desktop will build your final landing page using all the assets and all the contexts. So I will open up my Claude chat. So this was the starting point of my entire idea. Like I have given it like I need to build some kind of a site and use Playwright MCP to go through the inspirations. I have given it a inspiration URL. Inspiration URL means like something like this. So this is kind of a inspiration gallery from Combi. So the Claude will use Playwright MCP to go through these inspirations, and based on these inspirations, it will pick some of the sections from each of the site. Like from this site, hero section is looking good for our product. So it will go through various sites. It will open up the each site in a separate browser window and then take screenshot. And based on that, it will give us some kind of plan, like we can use these things for our landing page. And once I have that, like it gives me brief.md, asset prompts, text tag, readme, everything. I just download the zip. So this asset prompts, like the use of these asset prompts, I'll tell you in a minute. So once you have the asset prompts.md file, which looks something like this, like it references our brief.md file, what are the rules for making the video, and for each video what should be the duration, what should be the size of the video, like prompt to generate that video. And based on this, you can use any MCP or any plugin you want to create assets. So in this case, I'm using Combi's inbuilt video and image generation skill, and then it generates the image and videos for me. Once I have that ready, so once your assets are generated, you need to head over to Spline community, and then you need to find out some relevant Spline canvas which will be relevant for your hero section of your landing page. So in our site, let's if I go through our site, you can see this, there is this brain 3D model canvas which we are using. So that is from Spline community. So you just have to download it and export it in your code base. Once everything is ready, then you just need to head over to Claude desktop and use Claude Code from Claude desktop. And you just have to give it a simple prompt, right? Like a Next.js, build a Next.js site using all the context in this, the file which we created initially, like epic.md and all those files. Then we also have to point towards the assets that we created. Also the Spline integration.md, you will get this file as well using Claude. Like you just have to give your model to Claude and tell it to give me a Spline integration.md file, so which we can use to integrate the Spline model. And once you have that, you just need to turn on auto mode and just need to wait for, like, it will build everything, it will test it in the browser, like how it looks, fix the responsiveness of the site. And that's the overall workflow, like for building such kind of landing pages. It's pretty easy. So at high level, if you go through it, it's just the inspiration plus asset generation, and that's it. And a loop to verify and keep on iterating UI until it looks super perfect, like until you get your desired output. So that's the thing. So in future videos, I will cover how to clone some award-winning site, or like how to invent a new award-winning site design from scratch. So stay tuned.